box has a spring going to what?
This is the back of the spring here.
Going to the throttle.
So you can leave the spring on, right, and just unclip it from this side?
Yep. We're missing one here. It's often the case when you take something apart and put it back together. What? You don't need one in there.
Well, either that or there's a
It's
bolt
so,
out in the field somewhere that
yeah,
wiggled
but
loose.
you know, it's so well bolted together. How could it hurt to not have that one? That was the. This is a negative ground. So this goes to the positive side, but that one I just took off to the starter, I called it the pos, but it's the neg.
Well, you don't even need to remove that, do you?
This box,
No, oh, sorry, I thought you were removing this piece.
it's going to come off with this.
Oh, because the
It's-
box is. That's why you're calling it a ground.
Okay, the red ground wire came off with the battery box clip. we just have that spring to unload. Have to go to the tool, but oh, I might have it in here. Aha, comes loose. And both ends look the same. There's not a right or a wrong. Actually, if it matters, the longer end was connected to under the battery box, but it couldn't make any difference because that is floating in that space anyway. If you knew how they put it in.
Good luck getting it out.
Everything should be so easy. You ever needed gunk degreaser? Do you know what it is?
Not the gunk that you wash your hands with, but
It's an aerosol can and it sprays foam. You spray it on that stuff and leave it for 20 minutes and you hit it with the garden hose and it all comes clean.
clean as can be.
Okay, now we get the air hose and we blow that black crap all over the shed.
The throttle actually, yes.
That was easy. Unclip, rattle it, rotator, or whatever that is. The rest of that can all stay. This guy comes off, choke cable. Same thing, it just clips on.
Easiest to pull it off up here.
Yeah, we're going to pull all those wires. And I'm going to put tape on them and mark what they are. All those wires, I mean,
3 of them.
yeah. Are those wires color coded so I can just mark down the colors?
No, two of them
No,
are
there's
pink,
two yellows.
although they have a different end. So the one with the yellow end just unplugs here.
Huh.
It tends to.
Oh. It's soldered on the back.
There's the starter switch.
And do we even need to?
Either knock it there or
Clip it again? Okay, we'll clip it again.
after that the other two are color coded. Black to the ground, red to the middle.
We're leaving the top one. Oh no, there's three of them. Purple, black, purple. I'm just going to put tape on them and not wonder how to decipher my notes.